Accenture hiring 2023. So all the freshers who are right now stuck into the crossroad in order to get your first job, definitely it's a good opportunity for you always. मैं समझ रहा हूँ right now the market is not up to the mark. बहुत लोग बहुत परेशान होंगे कि how to get your first job. बहुत लोग को ऑफर लेटर मिलने के बाद ज्वाइनिंग डेट्स नहीं मिली है एंड बहुत लोग यार फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हैं देन व्हेन दे विल गेट देयर फर्स्ट जॉब बिकॉज 6 महीने 7 महीने से वेट कर रहे हैं कि हमारी फर्स्ट मतलब हमारी ऑफर लेटर कब आएगी, ज्वाइनिंग डेट्स कब आएगी, कहीं ट्रेनिंग होके रुकी हुई है, कहीं ऑफर लेटर नहीं आ रही है, मतलब टोटली स्टक्ड. एंड आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज इफ आई थिंक माई सेल्फ इन योर शूज I feel that it's literally frustrating. So if you are going through the same, I am talking about Accenture hiring 2023 this time regarding end-to-end recruitment process. Those who haven't got the job yet can try it for this, and I will be talking regarding what is the recruitment process, what exactly they expect from you in their interviews, in their recruitment process, what exactly you should do, how you can prepare your resume so that it can be a better reflection when you are in the interview panels. Because you know your resume is your mirror which actually put an impression in front of the panel. Just imagine you as a panel, and when some resumes are coming and that seems to be too attractive, you will be getting attracted to that because your resume will be a direct reflection that how the candidate is. So if you are preparing your resume, do keep this point which I will be mentioning in this video. I will be also telling about the recruitment process, what you can expect, what kind of question you can expect, and yes, how you can crack that interview. So before starting the video, I'd like to introduce myself. I am also just like you all guys, an IT guy, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience, and lots more that you can think regarding IT and all. तो Accenture 2023 रिक्रूटमेंट में पहले चेक पॉइंट है कि रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस क्या है. बिना बकवास के लिए शुरू करता हूं. अगर कुछ भी डाउट होगा, यू कैन चेक आउट माय डॉक्यूमेंट लिंक बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन बुक अ स्लॉट विद मी आल्सो, लाइक 15 मिनट, 30 मिनट, 45 मिनट, 1 hour slots are there. You can book if you want some personal session regarding resume, regarding your personal building, regarding how to crack, regarding how to present yourself, and regarding how to do the best out of the opportunities that are available across the companies for freshers. You can connect with me. चलो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस की अगर मैं बात करूं तो रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस लाइक एनी अदर आईटी कंपनीज इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 to 3 राउंड्स. पहली मॉक असेसमेंट ये लेते हैं एसेंचर, जिसमें आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाएगा कि कैसे इनकी प्रोसेस है. तो लाइक कॉग्निटिव एंड टेक्निकल पे पार्ट, कॉग्निटिव एंड टेक्निकल प्रोसेस में आपको जाना पड़ेगा जिसमें कि एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन आएंगे. जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर क्वेश्चन और रिटन, इट्स लाइक इट्स विल बी फुल ऑफ एप्टीट्यूड, logical reasoning, pseudocodes, network and security, technical and more. So you have to go through all those things, and once you are completing that part, you will be moving ahead to a technical coding question part. Okay, you will be in the coding question where you have to solve 2-3 coding question, and if you are clearing that, definitely your written will be cleared and you will be called for an interview. But just a reminder that there can be some vocabulary test in between. That is not an elimination round. That will be just giving some add-ons point to your interview sections, okay, to your final selection section. तो नॉर्मली अगर आप मॉक इंटरव्यूज के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, मॉक में आपको आइडिया मिल जाएगा कि एसेंचर की रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस, एंड टू एंड प्रोसेस क्या है, हाउ यू कैन मूव अहेड इन दैट, हाउ यू कैन गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट आर हाउ यू कैन ग्रैब दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो कॉग्निटिव एंड टेक्निकल के लिए आप एप्टी लगा लो. मैं एक सजेशन दूंगा, आर एस अग्रवाल की एक बुक आती है, अगर आप वो प्रेफर करते हो, लाइक आर एस अग्रवाल की एप्टी कॉग्निटिव की बुक अगर आप प्रेफर करते हो तो डेफिनेटली आपकी एप्टी वाली पार्ट क्लियर हो जाएगी. फिर वर्बल की भी आप एक ट्राई कर सकते हो. वर्बल एप्टी एंड ऑल जो बेसिक रहेगा, जो सारे कंपनीज में रहता है, अगर आप डेलोइट जाओ, इन्फोसिस जाओ, टीसीएस जाओ, कॉग्निजेंट जाओ, जहां भी जाओ, जो भी वो पैटर्न है वो कॉमन रहता है. तो आपको बेसिक पैटर्न को प्रिपेयर करना, बिकॉज दे वांट टू जस्ट चेक दैट हाउ गुड यू आर इनटू द बेसिक लॉजिकल पार्ट. आफ्टर दैट जो 2 कोडिंग क्वेश्चन होती है वो किसी भी लैंग्वेज में कर सकते हो. देयर इज नो लैंग्वेज बैरियर. इट कैन बी जावा, इट कैन बी पाइथन, इट कैन बी C++. It just they want to see that how you can build your logic. तो ये दोनों सेक्शन जब आपकी खत्म हो जाती है, then you will be called in an interview. And when you will be sitting in an interview, just remember one thing, that you need to be little confident, okay? Because you know that you have cleared that basic technical part, even though you think yourself not very technically sound. But yes, be confident in the interview, because it's not like that they are expecting some a very good software engineer. Yes, the role is of associate software engineer, but yes, you will be deployed into the multiple domains. It can be data science, it can be Salesforce, it can be SAP, it can be big data, it can be cloud technology, it can be mainframe, it can be anything. Anything, if you are imagining, it can be anything depending upon their business needs and requirement. So whatever you are mentioning in your resume, Be prepared with that, because that will be definitely helping you out in order to have a great conversation. See, just when you will watch my video, if you feel it's interactive, okay, so just treat that as a selection. When you are sitting in front of the panel, they expect a person who is having a good conversation, because you already cleared that technical rounds. Okay, they are taking you as a fresher. They are expecting that whatever they are going to teach you, you are trainable on that part. So basically you should be confident, you should be not shy. It's like totally depending upon the panel, but what's my personal suggestion in this is like, you should be technically sound, you should sound technical, you should be little confident. If you have these two categories now, definitely you will be clearing that part. And once you will be clearing that part, definitely you will be into the Accenture trainings and all, and you will be getting your salaries. Means you will be selected in Accenture at the end. So this is the complete process, but is in between, what are the questions that you can expect? See, your project is very important. Whatever project that you have done, be end to end, be into the end to end on that, because you should be having an implementation idea. You should be having a problem case, that what problem your project is solving. You should not build it like it's some unimaginary thing. Build something that is feasible, because I am also from your segment. I was into that segment also. I personally defined that my project was something unrealistic, that I don't feel right now was good fit. Okay, that was not a good fit. It's like, it seems to be unrealistic really. So build some realistic project, have an end-to-end implementation, so that you can have a better conversation. You should you should be in that zone where the conversation are going in a parallel way, where you are able to explain the thing in a better way. Okay, so if you are into the hands-on now of your project, definitely you will be clearing that part. After that, the basic question between a few questions that you can expect, that tell me about Accenture, because you know that once you will be explaining something regarding Accenture, to be thorough, that what Accenture is doing, what kind of company it is, what exact work they are doing, and yes, what you expect in this role. The second question may be that what you are expecting from this role, and why associate software engineer, why not any other profile, because you might be coming from multiple backgrounds. We know in India, in engineering college, you might be coming from civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, or any background. You are applying for this job, then there might be question like this. So you should be having a smart answer for all these things. They are not expecting something specific in this part, but yes, they want some smart people in their team, so that they can be trainable, they can be proper, they will be able to deliver the things properly. After that, you should be having knowledge on array, class, encapsulation, polymorphism, method of overloading, method overriding, and yes, you should be also having some technical sound grip on any of the programming language, so that when they start asking question, you are very much onto the things. They might ask about what is interference, what is abstract, what is polymorphism, what is inheritance, what is the difference between a class and an object, what is exactly a class, how you can implement a Java function. Then there can be n number of questions in this. So like, you have to be a groom on that part, and definitely you will be able to make up the things. Now the very big and very important question that briefed me about yourself. So you should be telling about you, what exactly academics background you are coming from, what is your previous experience, and what is your hobbies and goals, because all this part is actually important when you are into the interviews and when you are planning to clear the interviews. So see, Accenture is a good company. You should be ready with this kind of question. There are n number of basic questions. If you want, I can prepare a set for that, so that you can check out that question and definitely prepare on that part, so that you can clear those interviews. Because the interviews is not that tough, but the thing is like, see, among 1,000 students, definitely they are having a target like 400 will be selected or 300 will be selected. So someone will be facing an issue. So I would suggest, if you are sitting into an interview, be theoretical and practically strong. Be resume specific. They don't expect apart from that. Okay, they don't expect apart from that. If someone is asking regarding, tell me something that is not in the resume, that is some kind of question where they want to check that how smart you are. It's all about a basic question they are asking. So be onto your resume, be onto your project, be with the basic question of Java or any of the programming languages that you are choosing. Definitely you will be able to clear. Now the last part I will be talking regarding hikes in Accenture. See, if any service industry you are comparing with, whether it's be a Cognizant, whether it's be a Capgemini, whether it's be a Wipro, whether it's be a TCS or any other service based industry, I would suggest that this company is giving a better hikes for you that will be definitely good apart from any of the service IT industry. I'm not talking about big four consulting or any of the big big four companies like that or any of the product company. I'm talking in service based. You will be getting a good hikes. You can expect a better package in upcoming years, and yes, can definitely reach around 6.5 to 7 in 2 to 2.5 years. So this is the thing that I wanted to share with you. I think you got a lots of idea from this video. If you think this video was a little bit of informative, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you think something was missing in this video, do put up in the comment box. Also, if you want any personal suggestion or personal guidance regarding resume building, regarding how to face the interview, regarding how to clear the interview, you can check out my document link below in the description box. From there you can book a slot with me. 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour slots are available. We can connect personally, and yes, I can give you a better input. I'll give better output as per the input that I will be getting for you, because you know every individual is different, and yes, every individual needs something, some suggestion that is actually good for you, because you know perfection can be attained from a good guidance. That's it. Let's keep the video till here. If you find this video a little bit of also informative, don't forget to give a comment, and if you think that you want to ask anything more put up in the comment box. Also you can DM me on my Instagram. चलो वीडियो को समाप्त करते, मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में एक नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.